Hey guys, Zach Calhoun here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a project site and deliver it to clients for downloading on Pictastic.ai. So when you first log in, you'll see your gallery, which has all your images and videos and all your media in one beautiful place. You can also create albums, which I have a few test albums here to show examples. And just below albums, you'll see something that says projects. It used to be locked, as we just now released it as a brand new feature. You can click create new project and get started, or you can just open up an existing project right here on your dashboard. You see here some new options appear. Up top is some albums and some highlighted media. You can add albums, add highlights, edit project details, and down here in the bottom right, you can edit your project site, open your project site, or copy the URL of your project site to your clipboard. So quickly, I'm going to show you what each of these features looks like. Number one, if you click into an album, you'll see the album that you already have, right? It's the same feature as before. It's just clicking into the folder to see what's in there. Below it, you'll see some highlights. So you see some images here. And these are featured images you can add to the top of your project site. To your right, you'll see Edit Project Details. This is where you can name the project and pick your cover image. Your cover image will appear at the top of your project site. To save or make a change, you just click Update. You can also add highlights, so add images from your gallery directly onto your project site area, or you can upload new images. And you can add new albums from your different album selections. So if there's other albums here, you can add them quite easily into your project area. Down in the bottom right, you have Edit Project Site or Open Project Site. I'm going to show you what Edit Project Site looks like. Now, we're going to be updating this a lot in the future, but right now you have all the media or media components or containers or folders available that you can add into your project site. So I'm going to show you what it's like. I have highlights here. So I have a section called highlights and my 3 albums. So these are just some test albums, whether it's Real Estate Home Video or CloudPano HQ videos. These are just my album names. Okay. I'll click publish. And now it will say published on my project site. So I can click open project site and it will open it right up. And this is what it looks like. So you'll see the title of your project, who it's by, so either you or by your team name, and you'll see some buttons. So I can click on different albums or folders and it will drop me down to that section where I can then download the entire album. I can also go back and just select the button and here I am, and or I can just scroll down and see all the media. So you noticed earlier I had a highlight section where I added some highlights. I had an album called CloudPano HQ videos, which I can download all those right here if I want to. I had an album called Real Estate Home. I scroll through that, and at the bottom I have this album called Video or Videos. So you can title the album whatever you want and just add it to your project site. Your clients can easily download either one piece of media by just opening it up and clicking the download button. So say they want to download one image at a time, totally can. Or they can download all the media inside that section. So in this case, I just downloaded all the highlights media onto my computer for whatever reason I wanted to use it. Also, these project sites are shareable. So let me just minimize this and get this out of the way. So if you were to copy and paste this URL, oops, here you go, sorry, it's downloading still. I can copy this URL and send it to anyone, and they can also download the media. So they'll see the name of the project on top, who it's by, and then navigation buttons. Of course, we're going to be adding on to this over time with all types of really cool things, but right now it's very simple. You just add your project media, and you can create a project site quickly and share it with your clients right here on Pictastic.ai. So now I'm going to go back to my project creation area. So if I open up a project, okay, or if I go to albums and I go to projects, you see my project I've created here. So I can open it up, and this is my project area. So I can create my project here. So you noticed earlier I said edit project site. I can add all these things again if I want to, or I can just add maybe 2 albums, or I can remove my highlights. Let's just say I want to share 2 different albums. Say I want to share the photos and a video. Okay, I can click publish, open the project site, and there's just 2 albums in here. So I can either scroll down to see those photos. I can even call that album just photos if I want to, or I can call that album the address photos, right? Whatever you want to call it. Or I can just send these folks down to the video area as well too. Whatever media I'm delivering, I can easily add it to a project site and deliver it to a customer. So let me go back here. So it's easy to edit a project site, and it's hosted, so whenever you want to edit in the future, you can, or add to it, or move from it. It's easy to do. You can also copy the URL to your clipboard, and you can also edit this top edit the top image that's behind your title by just going to edit project media. So let's just change the angle here to that photo and exit out. And you'll see that will change in the top right here. So say you wanted to have it be the outside of a house, you could do that, okay? I can just open this up here and it will see that change was made. So now we have a different image as that background image, right? Looks very professional and it's super easy to navigate. I click the button, I can download it, right? Yeah, so this is project sites. This is how you build one. They're very fast, very easy, very intuitive, and most importantly, very easy for your clients to be able to navigate. And of course, you can make lots of projects on Pictastic.ai. You can have as many project areas as you'd like, and in the future, we'll have some type of credits-based system for the project sites creation and delivery. But right now, all project sites are free. So just go test the feature. It's a new feature. We want folks to use it, like it. Go send some projects to your customers and clients at no cost. Now, it's free for a limited time, but as of right now, it's ready to rock and roll. Upload your images, full quality, full res. Project sites are available on Pictastic.ai. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.